Hi there, I'm Vicki Parfano from Aussie Stampers. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am announcing the winner of our June Stampers Art Gallery Design Challenge, and the winner will be announced at the very end. I'll show you what the prize is, what I'm giving away this month. I have a stamp set here which is called Paint Play. That's a rubber mount stamp set, and I'm giving away a paper share of the coffee cups paper. I don't know the actual name of it, I can't remember, but it's actually got some coffee cups. This is a bonus one I'm giving, and these are the colorways, and it has little coffee plants on there, coffee cups and coffee percolators. That looks like a percolator or a jug, or you know, a French press. I'll show you what on the back. This one is plain on the back because that's a color-in sheet. Some tiny little coffee beans, some lovely brown wood grain, with speckles on it. This lovely piece, which has like a really pretty striped pattern there, ziggy-zag pattern, some hearts on that one. So if you would like to be in the running to win the prize next month, I hold this competition every month over in my Stampers Art Gallery group, which is our private group that I run on Facebook. Now, it's free to enter, and this month's challenge was best scrapbook layout. So I had a lot of wonderful scrapbook photos that were submitted this month, and it was hard to choose, but I have chosen a winner, and I'm going to announce it now, pop on some music, and I'll show you the winner for this month. Good luck, everybody.